Today's inspirational is about a painful arc in the shoulder. Well, we see very often a painful arc in the shoulder, and what exactly is a painful arc? So we ask the patient to do an arm elevation, and at a certain moment the patient says, "It hurts," and then don't make the mistake to say to the patient, "Okay, stop, return." No, motivate the patient to go further, 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 and the patient says, "Yeah, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts," and at a certain moment it doesn't hurt anymore. So the painful arc is a painful zone in between two pain-free zones. What does that mean in the shoulder? That means that something in the subacromial space is temporarily squeezed in and symptomatic. Could be a bursa, could be a supra, could be an infra, could be a biceps, could be a subscapularis. There are different options. But we can play a little bit with this test. So in the basic examination, we ask for a normal elevation, but if we change the position a little bit, we go to lateral rotation and then we elevate, then we compress more subscapularis. But if we will then the other rotation and do the elevation, then we compress more infraspinatus. And if we do it in this way, in the anterior direction together with lateral rotation, then we compress more the biceps. But keep in mind, one single positive test doesn't have so much reliability. We are looking for a cluster of positive tests, but this is a subject in one of my other films. Another little detail about painful arc: in the majority of the cases we find it in an active way, but sometimes it happens, it's so painful that the patient can't go any further, it's painful, and you continue passively, and passively you detect a painful arc. Well, that could happen in case of a severe calcification, a severe symptomatic calcification in the subacromial area. So, have fun with the painful arcs.